Good morning, students. In this assignment number 6, we are discussing matrix method under the topic of determinants. What is matrix method? We have two equations, a1x plus b1y equals to c1, a2x plus b2y equals to c2. We make matrix A1, B1, A2, B2, coefficients are A1, B1 of x and y, A2, B2 of x and y. What is X matrix? X matrix is the matrix x and y, variables we need to find. What is B? B is the constants on the side of equality, right side of equality, C1 and C2. Now this matrix, this system can be written in this form: Ax is equal to B, where x can be found out by finding out A inverse multiplied by B. A inverse we have studied 1 over determinant A multiplied by adjoint A multiplied by matrix B, if determinant A is not 0. For example, 2x plus 5y is equal to 1, 3x plus 2y equals to 7. Matrix A will be 2, 5, 3, 2. Coefficients of x and y. Matrix X will be xy. Matrix B will be 1 and 7. Now, we know that A1, 1, 2, A1, 2, 5, A2, 1, 3, A2, 2, 2. These are the 4 elements of matrix A. Straight away by trick method, we don't need to waste time. We can find out adjoint A. We interchange these two places and we change the sign of these two places. 2 and 2 are same, so even if we interchange it, they remain 2 and 2. We change the sign of 5 and 3, this becomes minus 5 and minus 3. What is X? 1 over determinant A, adjoint A dot B if determinant A is not equal to 0. Let us find out determinant A. Determinant 2, 5, 3, 2, 2 to the 4, minus 15, minus 11, and minus 11 is not equal to 0. What is X? X is xy. This is 1 over determinant A, adjoint A dot B. Let us multiply 2 ones are 2 and minus 35. 2 and minus 35 is minus 33. Minus 3 and 14 will give us 11. So if we divide 33 by 11, 11 3s are 33. And 11 by minus sign is also there, it will become minus 1. We have the solution of x, 3, and y, minus 3. Let us take example number 2. That is matrix having 3 rows and 3 columns. That is 3 equations having x, y, z as variables. You can see what does matrix A becomes: 3 minus 2, 3, then 2, 1, minus 1, then 4, minus 3, 2. These are the coefficients of x, y and z. What is x becoming? Here it is becoming x, y and z. What is B? 8, 1 and 4. First of all, we find out the determinant. We know how to find out the determinant. You can see we are getting the value of determinant as minus 17. It is not 0. We go ahead, find out the cofactors A11 plus, then minus, then plus, then minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, and determinant A11. We leave first row, we leave first column. 1 minus 1 minus 3 2. You can see we have learnt earlier. We'll find out these cofactors: minus 1 minus 8 minus 10 minus 5 minus 6 1 minus 1 9 7. After finding out cofactors, we use this formula: A inverse equals 1 over determinant A adjoint A. Adjoint is written over here. Whatever we have found out, straight away we keep on writing it. Minus 1, minus 8, minus 10. Minus 1, minus 8, minus 10. Minus 5, minus 6, 1. Minus 5, minus 6, 1. Minus 1, 9, 7. Minus 1, 9, 7. If you do it in proper order, so you can find out A, adjoint A straight away. Divided by minus 1 over 17, that is determinant of A. After finding out the A inverse, we multiply A inverse with V. X we know is A inverse B. A inverse is 1 over minus 1 upon 17. Then this is adjoint A. I told you how to write in a trick. Straight away adjoint A. Then 8, 1, 4. After this we multiply minus 8, minus 5, minus 4. Minus 64. Minus 6, minus plus 36, minus 8, 1, 28. So let us solve it. Minus 8, minus 5, minus 4, all are minus, add in them, minus 70. Minus 64 and 6 is 70, and from minus 70 we subtract 36, we get minus 34. Minus 80, we add 28 and 1, 29. Minus 80 and plus 29, subtract minus 51. Divided by minus 1 over 17, then we get the minus will become plus, and 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51. We get the value of x 1, y 2, z 3. Example 3. Now we are taking an example of story type problems. Then the story type problem is like this. The sum of three numbers is 6. If we multiply third number by 3 and add second number to it, we get 11. By adding first and third numbers, we get double of second number. Solve this using matrix method. How to do it? Let us consider first number as x, second as y, third as z. Then first equation is sum of the three numbers is 6. X plus y plus z is 6. If we multiply third number, that is z, by 3z, add it with the second number, that is y, then what is y plus 3z equal to 11? Second equation. And then by adding first and third number, we get double of second number. First and third number, we get double of second number. We write it like this. Now here you don't see the x is there, we consider 0x. In this equation, we will consider the coefficient of x 0. So now the matrix A will become 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, 1, 2, and this 2y will come this side, 1 minus 2, 1. Matrix X, B, 6, 11 and 0. Again determinant A is not equal to 0. We are finding out A11, A12, A13. A11 we know, first row, first column. Then A12, first row, second column. A13, first row, third column. First is with positive, then negative, then positive. You get the values 7, 3 and 1. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. We find out the values. And what is adjoint A? This is the trick method. Straight away write A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Just in the same pattern as we have written. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. In this line, column wise, we write down and straight away we get adjoint A. What is X? A inverse B, 1 over determinant A, adjoint A dot B. If determinant A is not 0, X, Y, Z, 1 over determinant A, adjoint A dot B. Multiply 7 6 are 42, 11 threes are 33 with minus sign. Then 2 zeros are 0. Then 3 6 are 18. 0 into 11 0. Minus 3 into 0 0. Then minus 1 into 6 minus 6. 3 into 11 33 and 1 into 0 is 0. On solving we get 42 minus 33 is 9, 18 plus zeros is 18 and minus 6 and plus 33 will be giving 21. Divided by 9 we get 1, 2 and 3. The value of x is 1, y is 2, z is 3. First number is 1, second number is 2, third number is 3. Students, this question comes for 6 marks in board exams. So kindly practice this question. Well, the practice exercise is given along with in the PDF file, and you can do exercise 4.6 in NCERT also. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.